Hello boys, a very warm welcome to your online maths class. Now we have done our expanded form, we had revised expanded form. This expanded form we have also done in our half yearlies. Now today ma'am is going to teach you short form. This is also a revision from what we have done in our half yearly exams. Now, you all have done your expanded form very well. Now, we are going to revise our short form. 700 plus 40 plus 3. Now, we have to remove all the zeros from here. Okay, this is 743. Now, we have to write in short form. This is your expanded form and now we have to write in short form. So, this will be 743. All right. Now 860 plus 9. Now again ma'am has written in expanded form. Now you have to show the short form. So this is 869. All right. Now 600 plus 00 plus 5. Now again this is in your expanded form, now we have to write this in short form. So this will be 605 because we have to show the place value of 0 also. So that's why it is 0 has come in the tens place. So we will make 1 0 over here to show the place value. 940 plus 0. So this is 940. So 0 has come in 1's place. Now 500 plus 10 plus 6. So this is expanded form and now you have to write in short form. So how will ma'am write in the short form? I will write 516. All right. Now again 700 plus 00 plus 2. So now how will we write this? This is 702. So this is your expanded form what we did last time and now today we are doing short form. So this expanded form will be given to you. You have to write the short form of the expanded form. Now again 600 plus 90 plus 8. Now the short form of this will be 698. Alright students, have you understood? This is how you will do your short form. Again 800 plus 50 plus 0. So this will be 850. All right, 800 plus 50 plus 0 is in the 1's place. So this will be 850. 900 plus 90 plus 9. Now this is going to be 999. Understood boys? Now one more example ma'am will show you. 700 plus 50 plus 6. So this will be 756. So this is how you will do your short form. I hope boys that you all have understood how you have to do your short form. Now ma'am will give you exercise 1. Write in short form. So in the first line you will write short form, leave a line, then write exercise 1. Then again leave a line and write the sentence, write in short form. First one is 700 plus 40 plus 6. Second one is 800 plus 00 plus 9. Third one is 500 plus 10 plus 5. Fourth one is 600 plus 60 plus 0. Fifth one is 900 plus 70 plus 5. Sixth one is 500 plus 20 plus 3. Seventh one is 700 plus 90 plus 0. And the last one is 800 plus 60 plus 3. So you will do this work very neatly in your maths copies. How you did your expanded form, the same way you will do your short form also. So this is just a revision ma'am has given you, because ma'am has taught you this topic before in half yearly also. So but just for a reminder for you to refresh with the topic, ma'am has revised this again with you and taught you expanded and short form again. So do your work very neatly in your maths copies, and don't forget to leave a line and write one digit in one box. Don't write 2 digits in one box, it looks very untidy. And boys, when you are sending your pic, please see that the pics are clear. Sometimes the work that you send, it is so blurred that ma'am is not able to see your work. So see that your work is clear, you send your pictures clear, and do your work on time and send it. Okay boys? Alright, thank you boys.